Hi everyone, I'm Yoshi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and for today's Odoo's Tips and Tricks, we are going to continue our talk about change management when adopting new software and how it can greatly impact the outcomes of an implementation project. Now today we are going to cover the first 3 major tips for a successful change management strategy for your organization. If you have not seen the introductory video where we look at what change management is, you can find the link below on the description to reference it. So number 1, top management support. The foundation of any successful organizational change revolves around the leadership team and their ability to set politics aside to collaborate, agree, and commit to the change process. This is actually easier said than done. Top management support should be included in each step of the implementation and in all organizational levels. Number 2, project team. Teamwork is important when implementing new technologies. Also, it is necessary to support change management processes. A team that can help nurture the disruption of change is critical. Cross-functional teams dedicated to managing the institution of change are strongly preferred for successful software implementation. Get a team of your folks from sales, marketing, accounting, and IT all on the project team. Also, give them a cool name like Team Awesome or Team New Horizons. Remember, project teams ensure that the implementation is not lost or forgotten about, and they continuously offer assistance with the rollout of the new system implementation across the entire organization and in their respective departments. Number 3, project champion. The presence of a champion or a project hero is a critical factor for success in managing change because of the strong influence they have on the change process within the organization. This person doesn't need to be the most popular person in the company. However, it is best to have someone who is widely respected and liked. Designating someone with authority to support and motivate the new initiative is a good strategy used to remove cross-departmental political obstacles, strengthen the new implementation, and also reveal how important it is among staff. Now tune in next time for the next part of our change management series, where we will look at 2 more important tips on helping your business transition easier with adopting new technology. If you would like to learn more on how Odoo Business Analysts can help you navigate these sometimes challenging waters, please get in touch with us directly. As always, thank you for tuning in today, and remember to like and follow to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and Odoo it all.